Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're bringing that same level of organization to your WordPress site by learning how to create interactive tabbed content using the SeedProd website builder. Adding tabs is a fantastic way to display a lot of information, like job vacancies or editorial guidelines on an About page, without cluttering up your page design. Let us dive right in. The very first thing you need to do is install the SeedProd plugin. While SeedProd does offer a free version, you're going to need a premium plan to unlock the advanced blocks, including the tabs feature we're using today. Head over to the SeedProd website, purchase your plan, and download the plugin file. Jump into your WordPress dashboard, upload, install, and activate the plugin. Once it's active, navigate to the new SeedProd menu on your sidebar. Click Settings and paste in your license key, which you can easily find in the Download section of your SeedProd account dashboard. Make sure to hit that Verify key button before moving on. Next, we need to decide how we're implementing these tabs. SeedProd gives you two main options. You can either create a standalone landing page or use the theme builder to create a custom WordPress theme, which allows you to drop tabs onto any page, sidebar, or footer. For this walkthrough, we're going with the theme builder approach, so we have maximum flexibility across the entire site. Let's say we want to add a tabbed section to our About page. From your WordPress admin dashboard, go to Pages, select All Pages, and locate the page you want to modify. Because we're using a SeedProd website kit, you'll see an option to Edit with SeedProd. Click that to open up the visual drag-and-drop editor. This interface is incredibly intuitive. You can click on any existing element to change its colors, styling, or text. To make room for our new tabs, let's add a new section. You can simply duplicate one of your existing sections, drag it to the bottom of the page, swap out the background images, and delete any placeholder content you don't need by clicking the little trash can icon. Now, look over at the left-hand panel, locate the tabs block, and drag it right into your newly created section. When you click on the block, the content settings will open up here. You can add multiple tabs, tweak the font size, adjust the spacing, and change the overall alignment. If you expand each individual tab, you can type in your specific title and write out your content using the standard visual editor. You can even toggle off the Hide Tab icon setting to select the custom graphic from the Font Awesome library, making your tabs much more engaging. If you click over to the Advanced tab, you have even more control over background colors, borders, and choosing whether you want a traditional horizontal layout or a sleek vertical tab list. When your tabs look exactly the way you want them, click the green Save button in the top right corner. The final step is to actually make this live on your site. Exit the page builder, go back to SeedProd in your main WordPress dashboard, and click on Theme Builder. Look for the toggle that says Enable SeedProd Theme and switch it to the On position. You can now visit your live website and see your clean, organized tabbed content. That's everything you need to know to build custom tabs in WordPress. Keeping your site organized is just as crucial as keeping your back-end software tidy in Notion. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.